Now let us learn the simple multiply. If I give you two numbers, multiply the numbers. Simple way. Okay? That's what we are going to do. Multiply the following. And the multiplication sign is this. Okay. Simple way to multiply. Now, supposing I give you A 2 into 3 and you write the answer. Okay? B 5 into 0. Alright? Next. 4 into 2. 7 into 3. 0 into 6. 9 into 5. 8 into 3. So I've given you some sums and let's do that now. Look. Got here. Simple. It's called simple multiplication. Then we'll do a little more here. Okay. Now the same, if you're given 3 into 2. Okay. 7 into 0. 9 into 1. 5 into 2. 4 into 3. 8 into 3. 9 into 0. 3 into 1. 0 into 7. Now, we got a whole lot of sums here. Now, let's learn to do it together. Now, lots of sums are given. Now, multiply 3 into 2. 3 twos are. That is 3 ones, 3 2, 3. 3 twos, 3 2 times. 3 twos are good. 6. Any number into 0 is 5 into 0 is 0. 4. 2 times. 4 twos are good. 8. 7. 7. 7. 7 threes are 21. Good. 0 into 6 is 0 itself. 9 fives are 45. Good. 8 threes are 8 3 times 24. Very good. Now 3 2 times 3 twos are 6. Good. 7 into 0 0. 9 into 1 is 9 itself. 5 twos are 5 2 times 10. Very good. 4 threes are 4 3 times 12. 8 threes are 8 plus 8 plus 8 24. Very good. Next 9 into 0 0. Good. 3 into 1 3 itself. And 0 into 7 is 0. So we learned the simple multiplication, whether horizontal or vertical. Any number into 0 or any 0 into the number, it gives you 0 itself. Any number into 1, the number itself. Okay? 1 into 9 or 9 into 1, all single number 9.